What does EDC Everyday Carry actually mean? And what should beginners carry? In this video, we're breaking down 9 essential EDC tools that can make everyday life easier, more organized, and better prepared for unexpected moments. From compact multi-tools and precision screwdrivers to powerful flashlights, emergency gear, and smart trackers, these practical everyday items are designed to help you solve problems anytime, anywhere. Whether you're building your very first EDC setup or upgrading your pocket essentials, these beginner-friendly picks will show you why carrying the right tools matters. Number 1. Meet the pocket screwdriver that upgrades everyday carry instantly. Compact, titanium built, and ready for serious daily tasks. Slip it into your pocket, bag, or toolkit. Perfect for DIYers, professionals, and EDC enthusiasts alike. Imagine quick fixes at home, office, or outdoors. Loose screws no longer slow you down. The Multitool D1 keeps precision within reach. This is a 9-in-1 mini precision screwdriver set. 9 essential bits cover common repair needs. Magnetic S2 steel bits hold firmly during use. That means faster changes and fewer dropped pieces. No fumbling, no frustration, just efficient handling. The titanium body adds strength without extra bulk. Lightweight enough for carry, tough enough for work. Built for repeated use and dependable performance. Precision matters when working on small components. This tool delivers control, balance, and accuracy. From electronics to household fixes, it adapts easily. One compact tool replaces multiple bulky drivers. That means less clutter and more capability. Keep it in your EDC kit for instant readiness. Keep it in your desk for everyday convenience. Keep it in your toolbox for reliable backup. Wherever you place it, it stays useful. The upgraded experience is simple. Carry less, do more. Enjoy quick access, smooth operation, and practical precision. A smarter tool for modern repair demands. A better fit for work, travel, and daily carry. If usefulness matters, this belongs in your pocket. Choose the OK Knife Multitool D1 and elevate everyday repairs. Number 2. Meet the EDC Pry Bar Multitool, built for daily readiness. One compact tool handles prying, opening, repairs, and quick fixes. Slip it into your pocket and stay prepared anywhere. On the trail, campsite tasks suddenly become much easier. At home, it tackles boxes, screws, and stubborn lids. Its heavy-duty pry bar design feels solid and dependable. The sleek body keeps power without adding unnecessary bulk. You get serious utility in a carry-friendly everyday form. Need a screwdriver? Switch to the Bi-Directional Ratchet. It includes flathead and crosshead bits for common jobs. The 360-degree rotating compartment keeps bits stored securely. Ratchet action delivers smoother turning and faster tightening. That means less struggle during small repairs and adjustments. A built-in magnetic pen adds another level of usefulness. Write notes, sign forms, or sketch ideas anytime. It is fireproof, waterproof, and smash-proof for outdoor confidence. No ink worries, no fragile pen to replace later. The tool also includes wrenches, a crowbar, and openers. Use it for bottles, boxes, nails, and everyday obstacles. Each function is designed to save time and effort. The removable back clip makes carrying simple and secure. Attach it to your belt, pocket, or pack easily. This is practical EDC gear with a premium feel. It is also a thoughtful gift for men who value utility. Perfect for fathers, husbands, boyfriends, and outdoor enthusiasts. Christmas, birthdays, or Father's Day, it fits every occasion. Upgrade your carry with one tool that does more. Be ready for camp, work, travel, and daily surprises. Choose the multi-tool that turns convenience into confidence. Get yours today and carry better every day. Number 3. Meet the ACEBEAM TAC 2AA, a pocket-sized lighting powerhouse. It delivers a serious 1,400 lumens from a compact body. That is flashlight muscle, without the flashlight gym membership. Choose EDC mode for everyday use with memory function. Turn it off, and it remembers your last setting. Choose tactical mode for instant turbo. One click, boom. No memory there, just immediate full send brightness. Dual switches on tail and side make control effortless. Need quick access? The tail switch is ready. Want convenient switching? the side switch has your back. This flashlight uses the advanced SFT 25R HI LED. Translation: tiny body, big attitude, serious light output. It throws light up to 304 meters away. That is a long reach for such a small torch. Perfect for dog walks, camping, hiking, and emergencies. When darkness shows up, this light answers confidently. Built with IP68 protection, it laughs at bad weather. It is also rated for 2-meter submersion, and it survives 1-5-meter impacts. Like a tough cookie. The aluminum body adds strength without extra bulk. At 4.1 inches long, it disappears into daily carry. At only 2.6 ounces, it barely notices your pocket. Slip it into a purse, backpack, or jacket easily. Carry it without feeling like you packed a brick. 2 stainless steel clips add practical, everyday flexibility. Clip it to a hat brim for hands-free work. The tail-standing design also helps in emergency situations. So it works hard whether you are indoors or outdoors. For EDC users, this is convenience with real power. For campers and hikers, this is dependable trail insurance. For emergencies, it is the light you want nearby. ACEBEAM TAC 2AA. Compact size, bold brightness, confident performance. Number 4. Need a Father's Day gift that feels practical? Meet the BIIB Urexanin Uxe Multitool pen. Compact, clever, and built for everyday usefulness. Perfect for dads, husbands, grandpas, and men. A gift he'll actually use, not store away. Made from super strong aluminum for lasting durability, small enough to carry anywhere with ease. Big on function, sleek in design. This pen combines 9 essential tools. Twist ballpoint pen for smooth, everyday writing. Built-in ruler for quick measurements anytime. Flathead screwdriver for simple fixes on the go. Phillips screwdriver for fast, convenient repairs. Bottle opener adds extra usefulness instantly. It even doubles as a phone holder. Stylus support makes touchscreen use effortless. Level tool helps you check alignment precisely. LED flashlight gives you light when needed. One pen, multiple jobs, endless convenience. Rotate the front end to access tools. Simple, quick, and intuitive to use. No clutter, no fuss, just smart utility. Ideal for home, office, travel, and outdoor use. A great pick for men who want nothing. Gift-ready packaging makes giving effortless. Includes 3 extra refills for longer use. Also comes with 3 replacement batteries. That means more value right out of the box. Elegant, useful, and thoughtfully packaged. Upgrade his everyday carry with one smart gift. Celebrate Father's Day with something truly practical. Choose the BIIB Multitool pen today. Number 5. A cluttered desk can quietly steal your peace. Loose cables tangle like little worries every day. At home, that mess follows you everywhere. At work, it steals focus before the day begins. Then one small change brings back calm. Meet MVYC 120 PCS Reusable 6-inch cable ties. A simple solution with a thoughtful touch. You get 120 pieces for home and office use. Enough for desks, drawers, and every charging corner. Each tie is made from durable microfiber cloth, soft in hand, strong in everyday use. The hook and loop design makes organizing effortless. Wrap, adjust, open, and close in seconds. No struggle, no waste, no complicated setup. Just easy cable control when life feels busy. Keep computer cords neatly together. Tame audio cables, TV cords, and PC wires. Organize charger cords, headset wires, and laptop cables. Even lamp cords finally find their place. 5 colors help you sort with gentle clarity, so every cable feels cared for and easy to find. A tidy space can change how your day feels. Less mess brings more comfort, focus, and ease. It turns ordinary organization into a small daily joy. For busy homes and productive offices, it truly helps. For tech lovers, it keeps every setup looking clean. And when you need support, customer service is here, because your peace of mind matters too. Choose a neater desk, a calmer room, a better day. Bring home MVYC cable ties and feel the difference. Number 6. Out traveling. Small injuries always seem to happen at the worst time. A scrape, sting, or cut can quickly interrupt the day. And if you're unprepared, even minor issues feel more stressful. That's why a compact first aid kit just makes sense. Meet the Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. This small 7-piece kit covers everyday emergency basics. It includes latex-free bandages for quick, comfortable wound care. Antibiotic ointment helps protect cuts after cleaning. Antiseptic wipes make it easy to clean injuries fast. Need a little more? It's got sting relief wipes too. Butterfly bandages help secure deeper cuts with added support. Spot bandages and knuckle bandages handle tricky areas well. Safety pins add another useful layer of preparedness. Everything fits neatly inside a durable metal tin. The crush-proof case protects supplies from everyday bumps. It's compact enough for a backpack, purse, or glove box. Take it camping. Keep it in your car, or pack it anywhere. The embossed logo also makes it easy to spot quickly. Even in low light, you can grab it without hesitation. Before, digging through bags, hoping you packed something useful. After, one small kit, ready for minor injuries anytime. That's less stress, faster care, and better peace of mind. For travelers, campers, and preppers, it's an easy win. You get practical essentials without carrying extra bulk. You get reliable protection without paying a premium. And you stay ready for everyday accidents wherever life takes you. Small size, smart storage, and helpful supplies in one kit. A budget-friendly choice that belongs in every emergency setup. Add the Coleman Mini First Aid Kit to your gear today. Be prepared, stay mobile, and handle minor injuries with confidence. Number 7. Rain rolling in, and your matches fail again. Wind picks up, and your fire keeps dying. Out on the trail, that gets frustrating fast. Cold hands, wet wood, and no reliable backup. When you need heat, speed matters. When you need light, you want it now. Meet the Fire Wand Survival Tool. A 3/9-inch tinder rope built for campfires. Just fluff the end and catch one spark. Use a ferro rod, flint, or steel. It ignites easily, even in rough conditions. No more struggling with damp matches. No more wasted time rebuilding the fire. The waxed hemp rope burns long and steady. You get over 3 hours of burn time. That means more fire, more light, more control. Need a stronger flame? Extend the wick. Need to stop? Slide it back inside. One hand is all it takes. Waterproof and wind-resistant for real outdoor use. So bad weather doesn't stop your fire plan. It works as tinder, torch, and emergency light. Perfect for campsites, trails, and survival kits. Before, you were fighting wet, unreliable fire starters. Now, you have a tool that makes sense. Fast ignition, long burn, and easy flame control. That is what dependable outdoor gear should do. Pack the Fire Wand before your next trip. Start fires faster, stay prepared, and move confidently. Get yours now and light the way. Number 8. Ever lose your keys right when you're already late? Or spend minutes digging through bags for your phone? For families, travelers, and organizers, small losses add up fast. And stressful moments always seem to happen at the worst time. That's where Life 360 Tile steps in. Clip it to keys, bags, backpacks, wallets, and more. No extra accessories needed, just attach and go. Then ring your tile when something goes missing. Its loud sound helps you find it fast. Even better, check its last known location in the app. So misplaced items become easy to track down. And if your phone disappears, Tile can help there too. Double press the Tile button to make your phone ring, even if your phone is on silent. That means fewer panicked searches before heading out. More importantly, Tile does more than find lost items. It can also work as a discreet SOS button. In unsafe situations, it sends alerts to your Life 360 circle. That adds another layer of protection for people and pets. Before, you were searching everywhere and wasting time. After, you just tap, ring, and locate what matters. Before, every missing item meant extra stress. After, one app helps keep everything connected. Use Tile with Life 360 to view everything on one map. Track the things and the people you care about. It's simple, practical, and built for everyday peace of mind. Great for busy homes, frequent travelers, and organized routines. Stay prepared, stay connected, and waste less time searching. Life 360 Tile helps protect your stuff and your circle. Get the 4, pack, and make everyday life easier today. Number 9. Still comparing flashlights for work, repairs, or outdoor use. Regular pen lights look small, but often lack real power. Cheap work lights can be bright, yet bulky and inconvenient. NEBO Inspector 500 Plus Flex changes that with compact performance. It delivers up to 500 lumens in a pocket size. That means strong light without carrying a heavy torch. Switch between focused pen light and 360-degree area lighting instantly. Most basic lights offer only one beam, limiting versatility. Here, you get 8 modes for different tasks. Turbo boosts visibility, while low lasts up to 8 hours. Need distance? Pen light mode reaches over 450 feet. Need coverage? Area light illuminates 50+ feet around you. That makes it better for cable routing and engine work. It also helps during camping, roadside repairs, and emergencies. Unlike fragile lights, this one is waterproof and durable. IPX7 protection gives confidence in rain, splashes, and tough conditions. The magnetic base is another major advantage. Attach it to metal surfaces and work hands-free. Compared with handheld-only lights, that saves time and effort. A steel pocket clip keeps it ready in your gear. It stays secure on uniforms, bags, or everyday carry pockets. Charging is flexible too, with 2 battery options. Use the included rechargeable battery or 2 AAA batteries. That means fewer interruptions when power is limited. Recharge in about 2 hours. Then check the blue indicator. Compact at 6.3 inches, yet built for serious use. At just 0.14 pounds, it disappears into your pocket. For DIYers, mechanics, and outdoors people, this is the smarter choice. You get brightness, flexibility, durability, and true hands-free convenience. Choose NEBO Inspector 500 Plus Flex and upgrade your everyday light. That wraps up our list of 9 essential EDC tools for beginners. The best everyday carry setup isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying smarter with tools you'll actually use. Whether your favorite is the Multitool, flashlight, first aid kit, or tracker, each item adds a little more convenience and preparedness to your daily routine. Check the links below to explore all the featured products, and let us know in the comments which EDC item you never leave home without. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gear and everyday carry content.